sorely missed.
I like that, the Mount Rushmore of basketball players. We're getting additional confirmations. Variety is now confirming the report from TMZ, and we're learning a little bit more about exactly what may have happened. Kobe Bryant was apparently traveling from Newport Beach, California, to the Staples Center in downtown Los Angeles in what is believed to be his personal helicopter when the aircraft caught on fire. At least 3 other people were on board when the helicopter crashed. Pardon my ignorance here, Jim, but did Kobe live in the Calabasas area or in the Newport Beach area?
Newport Beach, and he would regularly travel by helicopter to Staples, even when he was playing. He was quite well known for doing that, and the mode of transportation for him, so it enabled him and his family to live, which could be, anywhere from a 45-minute, I guess, to an hour and a half, 2-hour drive, depending on traffic in Southern California,